Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually do a calculation right in Microsoft Word. Yes. Can we really do? Because each time that we hear about calculation, we always think about Excel. But I'm going to show you how we can actually do it right here in Microsoft Word document. Alright. So first we want to bring up the document. Now we want to bring up the document. And notice these are three equations that we want to actually do. So the first thing that we wanted to do is three combinations that we want to actually use. Right? If you're using a desktop computer, you want to use the press the F9 and control. If you're using a laptop, you press the F9, the Fn and control together. Right? It's very important. And when you do all of that, now you will see bring up a bracket. Alright, if you notice, this is the bracket that you bring up. Right? You must take off the highlight because if you take off the highlight, it's not going to work. Right? You're going to put equal and bear this in mind. Every formula starts with equal, just like we normally do it in Excel. Right? Very important. Then you're going to put in right here, the 70 right here. When you type in the 70 now, what you want to use the asterisk. The asterisk stands for multiply, right? So you're going to hold on shift and press 8, and that's where you get the asterisk. And you're going to type 70 just the same. Now when you do all of that now, still don't take off the highlight. If you take off the highlight, it won't work. You want to put your cursor right here in the middle. You want to right click. Notice when you right click, it brings up this little dialog box right here. Notice it says paste option, field update, edit field, toggle field code, font paragraph. But what you want to focus on is right here. That's an update field. You're going to click on it. You notice you click on it right away, give it the answer. So I'm going to come back here again. I'm going to try this one again. Right, so remember, you're using a laptop, you're pressing Control, Fn, and F9. You're using a desktop, you're pressing Control and the F9. Alright, so we're going to do all of that together again. Notice, get a bracket, we're going to say equal. So remember, R equal, formula started on equal. Notice we're going to put the 250 right here. Then as I said again, we're going to be using the asterisk. So you're going to hold on the shift key and press it, take the asterisk. So you're going to say 250 again. Just the same. Now you want to put the cursor right in the middle. You're going to right click. And as I explain, this is what you want to focus on. Field update. You're going to click it. And there you go. All right. If you notice this one is a 20 times 5 minus 5. All right. We're going to look and see if we can actually solve that one. All right. So we're going to do the same procedure. All right. Just the same. We're going to set equal. So we're going to put the 20 just like that. We're going to put the asterisk. It stands for multiply, just the same. And then we're going to say 5. Right. And then we're going to put the slash right there as minus. And then we're going to put 5. Alright, so we're going to put the cursor in the middle. We're going to right click. When you right click, we're going to click on field update. If you notice, this is what we get right here. Very important. Alright, so I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.